News is emerging that the gun seized from Tommy Lee Sparta has been linked to 2 murders.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Viewers, it is understood that the gun seized from high-profile and incarcerated dancehall entertainer Tommy Lee Sparta has been linked to at least 2 murders. The murders reportedly occurred in the corporate area. The firearm has also been connected to 3 cases of shooting with intent. Now, high-level law enforcement sources disclosed that a projectile and the spent casings recovered from the scene of the murders and shootings have been linked to the illegal firearm seized from Tommy Lee's waistband. The results were disclosed recently when the firearm was subjected to ballistic tests where an integrated ballistic identification system or IBIS machine was used. The technology provides a single system capable of comparing ballistic evidence found at crime scenes. Tommy Lee Sparta, given name Leroy Russell, recently pleaded guilty to illegal possession of firearm and ammunition and was sentenced to 3 years imprisonment. The dancehall entertainer was arrested in December of 2020 after he was found with a firearm along Alburn Road in New Kingston. He was held by members of the Police Special Weapons and Tactics SWAT Division. Investigations into the entertainer continues. Over the years, the police have accused Lee of being the leader of the Sparta gang, which is primarily based in Western Jamaica. However, the dancehall entertainer has denied the allegations.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!